Welcome to Writing Fever. In this session of Writing Fever, you will be given more than 100 current affairs of each month. So, in a month, you will be given about 5 videos, and in all video, you will be given more than 20 current affairs. That is, you will be given more than 100 current affairs of the month. So, after the finishing the session, you will be also can download the PDF format with the explanation of this GK from the link given on the description box. Writing Fever is an community builder as well as a social media platform and also a learning hub. So let's get started. The first question that is given, and it's most important, it is the task forces of the National Infrastructure Pipeline projected total infrastructure investment of 111 lakh crore during the 5-year span of FY 2019-20 to the FY 2024-25. Name the person who leads the task for the force. There will be given 5 options, and the correct answer is the 3. That is the Atanu Chakraborty. That is, the person name was Atanu Chakraborty, who was task force for the infrastructure pipeline project total infrastructure investment of 111 lakhs. The most important another current affairs of the month is the which country was the conferred Manipuri doctors. The Thangzam Dhabalis with authorizing sun gold with the silver rice. The correct answer is the Japan. That is, the Japan was the conferred the Manipuri doctors Thangzam Dhabalis Singh, which ordered rising sun gold silver rice. Another most important current affairs of the month is that the name of the Indian state which provide maximum employment under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, that is MGREGS, as per data of Rural Development Ministry. The correct answer is the Chhattisgarh, that is 1. That is the name Chhattisgarh is the state which state list of the provide maximum employment under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. The another most important current affairs of the month, May 2020, is the India's rank 53 budget of the transparency and the accountability as per 7th edition of the Open Budget Survey 2019 conducted by the International Budget Partnership IBP. Name of the country which top of the list, that is the India is the number of 53 ranked 53 position. That is what was the country that was in the first position. There is one important is that also that India ranked in the 53. And what was the first? First was the New Zealand. You should know this. Let's get started. 5-1 is the Rishi Kapoor, who passed away recently. What is passion of his? He was a actor. Yeah, that is 1. Another most important current affairs of the month is that the National Board of Wildlife, that is shortly known as NBWL, has allowed to use a part of Dihingpatka Elephant Reserve to coal mining recently. The elephant reserve is located in which state? In which state? That is in Assam. Where Dihingpatka Reserve in Assam. That is a elephant reserve. One of the most notable elephant reserve is Dihingpatka. You should know it. Another one is that the name of the cricket team who is got first place since 2016 by racing past India in recent Test team ranking reserved by ICC? What was the cricket team that is got first place since 2016? Is there are 5 options, that is the England, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, New Zealand, Australia, and that is the Australia. You should know it. That is current affairs number 8. That is the saffron cultivated and harvested the Karela Highland of which Indian state UT has got GI tag recently? Which of the following, that is Goa, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh, of which of the following state has got the tag of GI? That is the Jammu Kashmir. That is option 2. Another most important current affairs of the month is that the what will be financial grant that was approved by the World Bank for multi-year financial support to India enhance the safeguard its coastal marine resource in USD? That asked in USD. That is, there are 5 options, that is 300 million, 250 million, 400 million, 500 million, and 350 million, and all are in the USD. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer is that the 400 million, that is option 3. Another is that the, you all know Tata, Ratan Tata, the Tata Consulting Service will launch first fully digital bank of which country? They launch digital bank. In which country they start the first digital bank? That is the Israel. Where they started the first digital bank? That is the Israel. That is option 2. Name the Indian state that has decided to launch the Mukhyamantri Shahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana for urban employment, 120 days of employment. That is the Himachal Pradesh. The state Himachal Pradesh launched the scheme Mukhyamantri Shahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana for the urban employment. Number 12, that is the RBI cancel the license of the 105-year-old CKP Cooperative Bank Limited under the section 5B with the section 56 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. The bank is located in which cities? That is the RBI has cancelled the license of CKP Cooperative Bank Limited, and in which of the following city the CKP Cooperative Bank Limited is situated? The answer is that the Mumbai. It also know that we should know that the bank is cancelled the license due to which of the banking regulation, that 5B and 56 of the Banking Regulation 1949. 13 number current affairs of the, that is, you should know World Press Freedom Day was celebrated annually in May 3, which of the theme of the year 2020, that the Press Freedom Day that is celebrated in May 3rd. In every year of the day has a different theme. In 2020, what was its theme? The theme of it that the journalism without fear and favor. That is option number 3. One of the most important current affairs of the May 2020 is that the Indian Institute of Technology Alumni Council has launched Indian first COVID-19 test bus in which Indian city? That is the IIT, that is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, has launched. What they launched? They launched COVID test bus. And which of the city of the following that they launched fast? That launched fast in the city Mumbai. 15. Name of the Indian journalist who won the 2020 Research of the Photography of the category. That is that the of the following which of the journalism had got that the award. There are 4 options. That is the Daryasan, Mukhtar Khan, and Sunny Anand. Of which of them got that the Pulitzer Award? There are also 2 options. That is 4. That is both 1 and 2, and another is the all 1, 2, and 3. From them, that all of them had got. Let's go down. That is 16. James M. Beggs, who passed away recently, of the former administrator of which space agency? That is that the M. Beggs, who passed away recently. What he was? He was a administrator of a space agency. Name of the space agency, what is it? That is there are 5 options. That is the JAXA, that is of Japan, that is NASA of America, that is ISRO of India, and CNSA, that is of China. Of both of them, which of the space agency that the former administrator M. Beggs worked? That is the National Aeronautics Space Agency, that is NASA. That means that M. Beggs was worked in M. Beggs worked on NASA as a administrator. Let's go down. That is 17. As per report of the title Lost at Home, total number of new internal displacement in 2019 stood at the 5 million approx in India of organization release report. That is the which organization report says that the as per report title Lost at Home, total number of the new internal displacement 2019 at 5 million in India, according to which organization report? That is the report of United Nations Children Fund. There are 4 options. That is the International Monetary Fund, that is United Nations Development and Organization, that is United Nations Children Fund, Food and Agriculture Organization, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Of which of them organization released the report of above? That is the United Nations Children Fund, that is UNICEF. Let's go down. Name of the ministry which launched the government authorization for relief of the using drone, that is GARUD portal. Name of the ministry which ministry launched? That is ministry. There are also 5 options. That is the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare, the Ministry of Culture, the Ministry of Labor and Employment, the Ministry of the Science and Technology, the Ministry of the Civil Aviation. Of which ministry has launched it? The Ministry of Civil Aviation has launched. They launched what? They launched that the GARUD portal. Let's go down. 19. Name of the microbes sterilizer which was developed by the Pune-based Defense Institution Advanced Technology, that is DATE. DATE, the short form of the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. 2. Disintegrated coronavirus by the heating. Name of the microwave sterilizer. What is the name of the microwave sterilizer? That is that the Otillo. 20 number question is that the Sariksha Tiger Reserve is located of which city? That is the Sariksha is a tiger reserve of India. In which cities the Sariksha Tiger Reserve is situated? That is, you should know that the Sariksha is a tiger reserve. So that in which city it is situated? It is situated in the Rajasthan. There are also 4 options: Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. The correct answer is the Rajasthan. That's all for today. For the PDF of this current affairs, you can visit the official website of the current affairs, that is www.writingfevers.com/global advantage, and you can find there the PDF with the explanation, with brief explanation of each current affairs. Also register there as going through the link, that is www.writingfever/registration. After registration, you can work with us as a franchises. So hope you learn something from this session, and thank you.